Here's a real world data science problem that is subtly really quite difficult. And in interviews, this would come up when you're discussing metrics, and you're going to need to show how you justify your decisions. Let's talk about it. Best Buy was always famous for having these doorbuster deals, especially around like the Black Friday holiday season. And now you can see it online too. Now, Best Buy has a choice of what they can put at the top. They can put their doorbuster, their best deals that are probably loss leaders, that they might be making very little marginal profits, if at all, or they could put some of their higher ticket items uh, at the top as well. Now, imagine that they wanted to test which strategy was better. Do we put the doorbuster, like high selling, great deals at the top and get people to buy more, but possibly at less profit for Best Buy? Or do we put at the top of the homepage the deals that will give us more profit if they buy them? Because the idea is that when a customer comes in, they're going to be more likely to buy the deals that are up top rather than having to search through it and purchase something. But when you make a good deal, they're probably more likely to make a purchase, if at all. So imagine you're running this experiment and you randomize, and so 50% of the users get the doorbusters at the top of the homepage, and the other half get the, let's call them high margin products that are at the top of the homepage. How would you measure the effect of this? How would you design this experiment? The key thing is that there's two major metrics here. So the first is the conversion rate, and the second is the, let's say, call it profitability per order. But how do you determine there's a huge trade off between these two metrics? In the comments, can you think about what the trade offs are between measuring the conversion rate or profitability per user and using that as your core actionable KPI?